1 pre-made pizza crust, 1/2 cup of pizza sauce, 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, 1/4 cup of sliced pepperoni, 1/4 cup of sliced black olives, 1 tablespoon of dried oregano. Optional toppings: diced onions, green peppers, mushrooms, or any other toppings of your choice. Instructions: preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 232 degrees Celsius. Spread the pizza sauce evenly over the pre-made pizza crust. Sprinkle the shredded mozzarella cheese over the pizza sauce. Add the pepperoni, black olives, and any other toppings you desire. Sprinkle the dried oregano on top of the toppings. Place the pizza in the oven and bake for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and the crust is crispy. Once the pizza is done, remove it from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes before slicing and serving. And that's it! You now have a delicious and easy homemade pizza that you can enjoy in just a few minutes.